Shabazz from CodeBotix. Welcome to our channel. Today we are looking at Breadboard. So Breadboard is a prototyping board. It's used to create simple and complex circuits. If you're starting out with robotics, it's the very best way to start out. The best thing about our breadboard is that you just have to take out the jumper cable and just insert a wire into the breadboard. That's it. Okay, but why is it called a breadboard?
Flashback.
So back in the day, people used bread cutting boards, which is boards which were meant for cutting breads. They used to hammer nails into it and used wires to create simple circuits. And from there, they developed something which we use now, which is called a breadboard or a solderless board, which you can see in the picture above.
Now let's quickly look at how it is used. So here you can see an online simulation of a breadboard. As you can see, there are horizontal connections, there are vertical connections here. So I've connected an LED to a horizontal pattern. So here, if I keep up my cursor here, you can see a green line which goes all the way to the end, which means that if let's say I connect a negative wire here, the negative connection would go, the negative charges would go all the way from the beginning till the end of this line. And a very similar thing happens here in the vertical connections. You can see that I place my cursor here. All the positive or negative charges, depending on what you connect, will go all the way through these 5 to 6 holes which are vertical. And let's say now I take this battery, I move it to the vertical path, horizontal is already connected. I start the simulation. Now the LEDs are glowing because here we have horizontal connection, here we have vertical connection. So that's how a breadboard works. But how does it work actually? Guess what? There are metal strips beneath this breadboard, right? Why metal? Because metal is a good conductor of electricity. Now, some of you must be thinking, what is a prototype? What is a jumper cable? What is a simulation? So a jumper cable is basically a wire which is suitable for the breadboard. There are copper fibers, fiber wires which have split ends. Those cannot be used in the breadboard. These have single end. So these can be easily put into a breadboard. You can see the copper split end wire here. So then what is a simulation? Simulation is basically how you can use electronic circuits in a simulation, online simulation, where you can try out these online components on a laptop or a computer. We've used Tinkercad as our online simulation platform here. We have the link in description for the platform. And what is a prototype? Prototype is basically the first version of a design or a project that you're going to make. So it's as simple as that. You can see the first version of an obstacle avoider robot here and a finished product over here. So those look very different. So with that, we come to the end. Thank you for watching this video. We are very happy you watched this video till here. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Do tell us your thoughts in the comment section and do tell us which video we should post next. Thank you.